If this past year has taught us anything, it's what is important in our lives and the lives of those we love. Many of us learned that working from home was more than a necessity. It actually became a luxury. We learned that we liked working remotely and setting the hours that worked best for us and our families. And now, we want more time freedom to make those decisions. We want a better quality of life on our terms. Many people are looking for a new revenue stream. Some a full-time opportunity, some a side business, and others a part-time opportunity. Today, home-based business is succeeding at a high level, and online entrepreneurs are changing the way the business works worldwide. Now, thanks to the internet and social media, people of all ages can succeed working from home. How can you start a home-based business without breaking the bank? It is called network marketing and has been around for decades. But now, more than ever, it is the business many are choosing. As a business owner or distributor, you may make a portion of the revenue from the products you sell, as well as the products the distributors in your organization sells. There are also many incredible bonuses and incentives you may be eligible for. One of the most successful companies worldwide is Valentus. Valentus provides you with a unique online opportunity that you can work from anywhere with your computer and/or your cell phone. With a click of a button, you are in business for yourself, but not by yourself. And you're able to share high-demand products and the business opportunity with a global community. You grow a network of partners who want to build a business with you and make a better life for themselves and their family. You can earn a commission and may earn residual income on product sales generated by you and your team. Start with one person, which leads to two. And then you can progress to hundreds and thousands of people sharing products and building businesses together. Why are Valentus members so successful? People love our products, and they have a real passion for sharing those products with others because the products work. Valentus is a rock-solid 7-year-old debt-free company. Valentus was founded by a successful veteran in the network marketing industry, Dave Jordan. As CEO, Dave is supported by a talented executive team. Together, they work with experienced company leaders that have a track record of massive success in this profession. Valentus provides you with the necessary building blocks to be successful: state-of-the-art websites, mobile app, and all the tools necessary to help you establish yourself in your own network marketing business. We show you how to grow a global online business with like-minded people. Valentus wants you to be successful and live the life you have always dreamed. To learn more about the Valentus opportunity, please get with the person that shared this video with you.